one star. At the silver hatch in his little white cap. Come on, Roary, one more lap. Roary, the racing car. Roary, my number one star. He's coming to the line, looking real fine. Watch out, Roary, they're right behind ya. Come on, Roary, the racing car. Roary, my number one star.
One thing for sure about Silver Hatch Racetrack, there are always lots of thrills. Without the thrills, there's always spills. Yeah, especially Tin Top, who's gonna bound without crashing. Ah! Oh, not again, Tin Top! It's just an accident this week. I guess I got the downside of Eugene's crash. Sorry, Big Chris. I was driving along with a big piece of paper flipped on the track. I couldn't see where I was going. The next thing I know, Logan was pulling me out of the tire warmers. Top, we'll be alright, won't it, Big Chris? You'll be back as well in no time, Roary. Hold still, will you, Tin Top? Where's on the boat somewhere? Tin Top, please hold still. What's the matter with you? There you are, Roary. I need you to race against me. I'm practicing for a time trial. Yeah, go on, Roary. Give Maxie a run for his money. Mr. Carburetor was doing especially to see you this afternoon. Let's light him up, Maxie. Zizzy.
Hi, Flash.
First.
Welcome. What are you doing here?
Inviting you to see an amazing stunt.
This afternoon, in Farmer Green's field, the longest jump ever by me. See you there, Zizzy. Birds must fly. Woohoo! Come and see birds fly, hey Tinky. Wow! Roary, are you okay? You don't think I can move, Maxie? Oh no, I'll go get Big Chris. So, just the patient. You're quite a shunt, young Roary. I can't remember what happened. It was so quick. I'll be back on that racing track in no time. What's up work to do? The old Big Chris done yet? Hey, look here, magic. One donut. Now you see it? Now you don't. There you go, Roary lad. All you need is some rest. Okay, Big Chris. Thanks. Swing as a rock welcome. This one day, yeah, everyone will be waiting.
That's me.
Oh, she's good.
That's
easy. It's like me standing on one leg. Look.
Are you sure this jump is a good idea?
First,
Of course I am.
What's everyone else doing in glorious Silver Hatch? Go and hand the rest of these out, Malcolm. I want to do everyone to know about my record-breaking jump for glory. Whoa! No! Roary, wake up, kid, wake up! Oh, Big Chris! I was having another crash. It's just a bad dream, kid, that's all. What if I do have another crash? Maybe I'll just stop racing. I can help you in the workshop. Let me tell you something. I remember when I was young, kid, and yes, I was once. I fell off my scooter.
Did it hurt?
Did it hurt? Hurt isn't the word. And so much, I never meant to scoot again. And when I saw everyone else on their scooters, I mean, no. I got back on. What happened? I forget. But little by little, I got my confidence back. Little by little. Soon I was the fastest scooter boy in town. Hooray!
Hello there. Anyone want to come and see
First.
record-breaking jump this afternoon in Farmer Green's field?
Jump?
What's this?
What's this?
Oh,
Silly idea. What do you think of this, Roary? What do you think? That's how I crashed, Big Chris. What? You're trying to make a record jump? No. I remember now. One of First's posters blew up into track and covered my eyes. I couldn't see where I was going. I bet that just caused Tinchop to crash too.
Look, Big Chris, I've just picked all these up from the track. If Mr. Carburetor sees his track this messy, he'll explode.
Molecom is very dangerous to leave litter all laying on around in the racetrack.
I'm very sorry, everyone. I never meant for this to happen.
It's okay, Molecom.
Just put them somewhere safe.
Put it somewhere safe, where in the
I will
trash.
the recycling bin.
And I think it's time I paid Flying
First.
a visit. Think I would a job for him.
Oh no! Here comes Helly, Mr. Carburetor. Just look at my little go. I can't believe it all go that fast. Some of us would go even faster. You're my superstar, Maxie. Why do you make it more interesting? Roary, you'll race him. Me? But I'm not so sure. Actually, Mr. Carburetor, sir, Roary had a nasty crash this morning. I'm sure Roary will be fine. No racing car, so no fear. Roary, you can do it, little by little. Remember? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, what? 5, go! What is the problem? Why isn't it Roary racing? Come on, you can do it, Roary, right above, buddy. Little by little, Roary. Little by little. That's it, Roy lad. Go on. Woohoo! Watch me go! You're my #1 star.
Dropping litter on a racetrack is very dangerous.
First.
Sorry, Marsha. Won't do it again.
I'm glad to hear it. Now pick the rest of these up before Mr. Carburetor sees them.
It's a look in the Maxie. Step on it, Roary. Come on, kid. Die. It's a dead heap. Yay! Yeah, I did it. I'm the #1 star. So is Roary's dream of one day being a world champion racing car got better on the track, and the dream is about to be made. Today, my friends, history will be made.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
First, nothing can possibly go wrong. Here we go. Ugh. How did I do?
No rubbish, I'm afraid.
First.